welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Korean skincare products which you need to try. And everything that I'm going to talk about today are completely affordable, and if you want to try these out you can definitely go ahead and check it out. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Also, if you're new to this channel watching me for the first time, please make sure you're subscribed, and let's start. I'm starting off with this Laneige cream skin refiner. Now this one is a very unique formulation. Usually toners are very thin and watery. This one says it is a toner plus a moisturizer, and I feel it to be very hydrating, to be honest. This is like an essence, not like a toner. It's quite runny, however it's very hydrating. This cream refiner contains a lot of humectants. This also has oils in it. This also contains antioxidants, and overall the formulation is quite hydrating for the skin. You can use this as your first step after like washing your skin, and this is really good. You can pair this up with a lot of actives. It does not react to the skin because it does not have any fermented ingredient into it. However, patch test is required for every skincare. So talking about this is suitable for all skin types, normal to dry to oily to acne prone. Anyone can use this. However, please do a patch test since this one contains additional fragrance, but the fragrance is extremely mild. On the scale of 10 I would give it 1. It is very extremely mild, and overall I feel like this is a very decent product. And if you are someone who needs extra hydration in your skincare, if you have dry dehydrated skin, then I would recommend you to try this out. I have been enjoying this a lot, and you can also get the small bottle which retails for 700 rupees. Try this, and if you feel it to be good for your skin, then you can invest in a full size, and which I really like. So you can first try this and go ahead and invest in a big size, and the small size is also going to last you for pretty like 1 to 2 months. It is quite enough, and you only need 2 to 3 drops for your entire face and neck, and this is so hydrating. So I'd recommend you, if you wanted to try this out, you can definitely go ahead and check this out. Alright, and the next product that I have is this Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Color Clay Mask. I have the purifying version. This is mainly to focus on your blackheads, whiteheads, or any kind of impurity that your skin has. But this range also has a lot of different like face masks. It also has Cica one, brightening one. So whatever you want, you can use it. And this is a clay based mask. So I think I've already reviewed this on my channel. So if you want, I will put the link in the description box for you to check if you want a detailed review on this one. But I overall feel it to be very decent on the skin. It does not dry out my skin since I have dry skin, and this definitely removes your any excess oil that your skin has. And overall I really feel it to be decent product. This retails for 700 something, and you can always find this on discount on Amazon, Myntra, or Flipkart. So you can check on these websites, and I definitely like this clay mask, and the quantity is decent too. This is going to last you pretty 2-3 months. You won't be using daily anyways, so this is a decent product. So if you want to try a hydrating clay mask, then definitely check this range out. You may find something for your liking, and I really enjoyed this variant as well, and I'm going to try some different products from this range. So yeah, I really like this. Our next product that I have is this Peptonic serum from SNP, and I've already reviewed this in detail. I lost the cap of this product, so I'm not using it because it might have been contaminated, but I still have some product left. I'm going to get the second bottle. This is one of the very hydrating like serums I've ever used. This is so affordable, like 650 rupees I believe, and serum contains 6 different type of peptides and 5 different type of hyaluronic acid, and so hydrating. This goes with any active, this goes with any skincare routine. Definitely contains fragrance, so if you are very sensitive towards fragrance, I would not recommend this. But in case if you're okay with fragrance, then definitely recommend you to check this out. The quantity is insane. This is going to last you for more than 2-3 months, and I overall really like this product, and this is so hydrating. So if you're someone who has dehydrated skin or super dry skin, and if you want to add something for your hydration, then definitely recommend you to check this out. Right, and moving ahead to the next product, I have the Innisfree Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Foam Cleanser. Now talking about this cleanser, this is quite decent. It does not dry out the skin. However, for dry skin or extremely dry or dehydrated skin, this might feel to be very squeaky clean kind of cleanser. But if you're someone who has oily and extremely oily skin, this will be really good. And if in case if you want to try any cleanser from Innisfree, I highly recommend the blueberry one. It's quite hydrating and does not strip the natural oil from the skin. But so far this is also very decent product. I'll update you once I finish this, and this is also like for 800 or something. You can always get this on discount. In case if you want to try this cleanser, definitely go ahead and check this out. And if that's it for today's video, I hope you enjoyed this. From this to my hope for any queries or questions